Hi everyone. These last videos have been all about sleep and rest and restoration and relaxation. And these are the key elements for my yoga workshop series coming up soon. And I just want you to know that we will be going even deeper into relaxation and countering the stress response in these workshops. And you'll be bringing home tools that are customized to what you and your body need so you can implement it and integrate it into your everyday life. It doesn't have to be disruptive in any way for you. And actually, it can become a very automatic habit for your lifestyle needs. Okay, 3 things that I love to do if I'm having a difficult time falling asleep. One of the first ones is if I'm feeling a lot of extra energy in my body. In bed, of course, we would remove the blankets. In bed, you take a in and out with the feet. In and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. And you want to do it so much in and out as fast as you can. You'll be feeling the muscles around your legs going side to side. And you might even get your heart rate up a little bit. This can often be counter to restfulness. However, we're getting the hip flexors engaged. These hip flexors, once we get a chance to relax them, the vagus nerve, which helps our reptilian fight-flight response neutralize, will get a chance to neutralize. So we do 50 to 100 of these. You're going to get tired enough to then take your deep breath and completely let go. Soften the jaw, smooth out the forehead. Feel the sensations in the legs. And the deep relaxation that can occur when the legs can feel heavy. And we've gone from activation to relaxation. Now, the second thing I like to do, if that hasn't done its job after about 10 to 15 minutes, I like to grab a bolster or in the bed a pillow and drape myself right over that pillow. So depending on your height needs, you can stack pillows. It's also nice to create an incline. Folding up a blanket here, but your incline can be used with more pillows on this end, less pillows close to you. We settle here. There is something about being on the front of the body that helps the body ground. Many times when we're having a difficult time sleeping, it's because we're not grounded enough. We're not in our body enough. And we get to breathe our belly into the feedback of the pillows. We get to melt our heart down toward the earth. And finally, as an added benefit, you can tuck those arms underneath and get those shoulders released down. Breathing into the back of the heart. And an added bonus of taking a rolled up blanket or a pillow to raise high enough So you can take the forehead down. Option to lay hands draping over each other. And our body gets to decide what's going to feel good. So on one day, a certain version of this might feel better than another day. For me today, this feels most relaxing. So this is what I would choose. And the final option is to linger back over what you set up here. Now this can be a little bit difficult on the lower back, so be mindful of how you're angling your pillows. I would probably want a little more support under here. I'd also want pillows under the backs of my hands. And this handy eye pillow right over the forehead to induce the deep relaxation response. So try any of these in any combination for as long as you'd like. I look forward to hearing your feedback. What helps the most? Have a wonderful day or a wonderful night.